decoration using recyclable items like shoebox lids and cans and jars, anything that you can find around the house that's recyclable. So if you want to see how to make these, then keep watching. For the first project, you will need a large shoebox lid. Cover it up with paper or paint it if you like. Print this page and then glue it onto some colorful paper. Next, cover it with some clear contact paper. Print some cute pictures of your favorite K-pop artists and glue them onto some color paper as well. Arrange and glue down the pictures onto the lid. This is extra, but you can add some rhinestones as well. Now with a dry erase marker, you can write and erase things you need to do for the week. Start off with a cereal box. On the side, mark down 4 inches. Then across. Print out 4 pages of this pattern. Apply some Mod Podge onto the box and begin covering the box completely. Now you can insert magazines or notebooks and you are done. Begin with a small can. Cut some foam paper to fit around the can. Use hot glue to secure it down. Add decorative stickers around the picture. Now you can use it to hold your pens, markers, or whatever you like. You will need a small jar. Next, print out a circular image of any K-pop artist. Add some decorative stickers around the picture. Pour some water into the jar, and then if you want, some water gel beads. Insert the flowers and you are done. For the last project, you will need a small gift box. Paint the box with some acrylic paint. Let it dry and paint the inside as well. Add some glittery letter stickers. use this to store some small items. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. Subscribe and request for more videos like this. Until the next time, bye everybody!